You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this beautiful name correctly, how it's pronounced in English and in other countries as well, other alternate pronunciations. So let's break it down. If you want to learn more names that are confusing, stay tuned. I've got more videos for you. Joanna, that's generally the English pronunciation. Jo-a-na, stress on that ah syllable. Now, as in the name Anna, you're going to have different ways of pronouncing it. Anna, 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 so same here. Joanna, Joanna. Some slight variations can exist here between the Americans, British, etc. Now, the Germans would pronounce it as Joanna as well, with the J like a Y, as in from the name Johanna, which also exists with an H, but without the H here. Joanna can also be a pronunciation here. Do you pronounce it Joanna or Joanna yourself? Where are you from? Or do you pronounce it any differently? Let us know in the comments so we can learn from you. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.